Let me teach you how to solve the question on the board. An object is acted upon by two forces of 5 Newton and 12 Newton. Calculate the resultant of the forces acting at an angle of 120 degrees to each other. For us to solve this question, first of all, draw. It says we have two forces. Let here be 5 Newton and here 12 Newton. Angle of inclination equal to 120 degrees. To solve this, we make use of parallelogram law of vector. In that case, we'll complete this to represent the shape of a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So since here is 5 Newton, here is also 5 Newton, here will be 12 Newton. Again, opposite angles are equal. Here will be 120 degrees. The sum of angles here is equal to 360. So 120 plus 120 is equal to 240. 240, if we subtract 240 from 360, it will give us 120. Divided again by 2, it will be equal to 60. So here is equal to 60 degrees. Here is equal to 60 degrees. At the same time, here is equal to 60 degrees. So the diagonal drawn from the point of intersection represents the resultant force. Here is the resultant force. To get this resultant force, we make use of cosine rule. Let's call here F1 and we'll call here F2. Let the resultant force be FR. So to get resultant force, cosine rule tells us that FR square is equal to F1 square plus F2 square minus 2 times F1 times F2 cos alpha. Alpha is the angle opposite the resultant force. So we can now substitute. Our F1 is equal to 12. 12 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 12 times 5 cos 60. 12 square is 144. 5 square is 25 minus 2 times 12 is 24. 24 times 5 is 120 times cos 60 is equal to 0.5. 144 plus 25 is equal to 169 minus 120 times 0.5 is equal to 60. 169 minus 60 is equivalent to 109. So FR square is equal to 109. To find FR, we square the both sides. So FR will be equal to square root of 109, equivalent to 10.4 Newton. Good. And from the options given, option A is the correct answer. Bye.